warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurmita Hujana. I am semester 2C. I will explain about preposition passive voice and passive voice syntax. Oke, hal yang pertama akan kita bahas adalah preposition in passive voice. Okay, certain transitive verbs are typically followed by prepositions which are preserved in passive voice. Example, they always look up foreign words. Pada kata up itu menunjukkan kalimat passive voice. Kemudian foreign words are always looking up. Selanjutnya, people should look after their pets. Pada kata after termasuk kalimat passive voice. Pets should be looked after. Certain adjectives followed by prepositions tend to be used in passive voice form. Example, Jane has always been interested in secret mission. Pada kata interested in termasuk kalimat preposition passive voice. John is always annoyed by the arrogance of the colonel. Nobody was disappointed with the offer. However, the importance of preposition in passive voice shows the fact that intransitive verbs followed by a preposition become transitive, so they may be converted to passive voice. B. Passive voice and syntax. Certain grammatical constructions involving passive voice are connected to syntax, detailed in the following. Relative clauses and passive voice. Relative clauses are discussed in syntax belonging to a particular type of adverbial clauses. Relative clauses containing passive voice form may be reduced, resulting in reduced relative clauses or no relative pronoun, no be. They produce various plans drafted by different consultants which had been logically, future tenses should not be reduced as they turn ambiguous. Example, they design green cars which will be mass produced soon. Yaitu pada kata which will be. Next, B. Object complement and subject complements. The transitive verb taking a direct object or DO may be followed by a complement, which describe the object, called object complement OC. The OC is typically a noun or an adjective. Logically, once the object turns the subject of the passive voice construction is settled, the object complement also changes to subject complement. The formula is the following, yaitu pada rumusnya AV plus DO plus OC become PV plus AC. Further proofs of this type are announce, appoint, believe, bring up, call, christen, consider, create, crown, declare, allege, find, get, have, imagine, live, like. The OC may be a noun phrase or even an adjective phrase. Example, John was made angry. Pada kata angry termasuk noun pada kata angry. The SC may become embedded in the verb meaning. Example, St. Catherine of Genoa died in 1510 and was beatified by Pope Clement V in 1675. Pada kata was beatified termasuk pada kata SC. Then next, C. It and passive voice. The introductory or anticipatory. It may become the impersonal subject of passive voice if followed by certain or reporting verbs, stylistic or scientific use of passive voice. Pada rumus lainnya dapat dilihat AV plus PV. Example, the colonel announced that the dogs will be promoted. Atau rumus lainnya, PV plus PV. Example, it was announced that the dogs will be promoted. They think that his comrade is in trouble. His comrade is thought to be in trouble. More common, rumusnya yaitu S plus PV plus to infinitive. Or it is thought that his comrade is in trouble. More formal, it plus PV plus that clause. Further examples, it is understood that no one speaks during the time for private prayers. Or example, it is said to be true. There is said to be true, leading to the next section. Next, D. Passive voice with there. A so-called preparatory there may become the impersonal subject of passive voice if followed by certain or reporting verbs. Acknowledge, allege, believe, consider, declare, now, recognize, report, say, suppose, think, and understand. Example, there is reported to be an uprising in Neverland. Or example, there are thought be too many wars. Kemudian yang terakhir yaitu kita masuk pada bagian E, complex passive constructions. Ada 3 pembahasan. Yang pertama, object complement and subject complement. Certain verbs in active voice: bake, beat, believe, boil, color, consider, cut, designate, drive, elect, keep, lie, nominate, paint, say, set, think, understand, was, why. May be followed by an object and a complement referring to this object, or OC. When converted to passive voice, this object complement structure result in a verb followed by a subject complement. Pada rumusnya yaitu V plus O plus OC become PV plus SC. Atau rumus lainnya V plus O plus OC. Example, the colonel considers that John is a combat expert. Rumus lainnya V plus SC. Example, John is considered to be a combat expert. Kemudian rumus lainnya yaitu V plus O plus OC. Example, Jan kept the weapon close. Then V plus SC, the weapon was kept close. Visible, we are faced with reduced that clause. The full version that clause in AV becomes an I construction in PV, and the verb is followed by a plus noun or adjective describing their object. S plus PV plus I plus SC. John was said to have been a combat expert. Itu salah satu contohnya yang dijadikan let it be known that you are the best. Oke, kita masuk pada bagian yang kedua yaitu verb and infinite. Verb followed by an object and infinitive are often used in passive voice. V plus O plus I become PV plus I SEC plus I become PV plus I. Example, the colonel ordered Jan to accompany John. Atau rumus lainnya, V plus O plus I. Jan was ordered to accompany John. Or rumus lainnya, PV plus I. John is reputed to be effective in combat. Dan yang terakhir, verbs and participle. Infinitive construction may alternate with participle construction depending on the verb, yaitu V plus O plus P become PV plus V SEC plus V become PV nominal plus V plus SEC plus V. The example, The guards heard Jane talking to the colonel. PV plus P, Jane was heard talking to the colonel. Kemudian kita masuk pada bagian akhir. Yaitu F, other structures in passive voice. Ada berapa struktur? Yaitu dibagi menjadi 5. Yang pertama pasif atau causative imperative. Example, get the television fixed. Yang kedua, conditional sentence. Example, if the mission fails, the dogs will be killed. Yang ketiga, hypothetical construction. Example, I wish they had seen the notice. Yang keempat, reported speech. Example, Jane thought that John could have killed 9 dogs. Yang terakhir, passive infinitive construction with be. Example, homework is to be written. Okay, thanks for attention this video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.